Well, hi there, everybody. I'm Justice, this is Steve,
Hi.
and we want to talk just for a few minutes about a really incredible new kind of course that we've got that's available, and a new kind of information vehicle, if you will, that teaches people specifically how to start virtually any kind of business from right where they are without having to have a whole bunch of money. Sometimes you can start businesses for as little as, well, almost nothing, and how you can get that business profitable right away. And we do that by talking about scalability, self-sufficiency, and of course structure. And it's really kind of an exciting kind of program that we're going to be teaching you about. And we've got a series of videos like this one right here. And what we want to do is we want to just give you some snippets of stuff that we're going to be talking about, and kind of things that you need to think about in order to be able to get your own business going, whether you're starting with nothing or you've got something that's already, kicking along and doing really, really well. So I guess the first thing on this kind of, because we don't have a lot of time, is to just tell you what scalability, self-sufficiency, and structure actually are. Scalability means that the business can start off really small and it can be made as big as you want without it costing you a whole lot more. Self-sufficiency, of course,
pretty straightforward. It
Yeah.
explains itself. The business should be paying its own way as soon as possible to make it a viable, successful business for you.
That's right. I like to say, if you're thinking of it as a child, you want to get that child out working as quick as you possibly can. As soon as they're able to run and talk, you get them out there selling stuff. So it's a way of being able to get your business up and running. And we like to shoot for, and a lot of people say this sounds impossible, but once you actually start to deal with these concepts, you're going to find it's far from impossible. We like to shoot for between a month to 3 months before you start making money. In other words, the business is paying for itself and making you money on top of that. So that's what we mean by self-sufficiency. Now, structure is how you put that business together.
What's it going to look like in your life to have that business? How are you going to create it so that you can actually work it and create self-sufficiency and scalability?
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
By using the right structure, you can create that scalability and that self-sufficiency that you want in your business by doing a number of different things. I was going to start talking about them, but what you'll probably have to do is wait until our next video, and then we'll tell you just a little bit more about some of those structures.
So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.